Hey guys, it's your boy Active Lex, and I'm back with another banger. I'm at work, I'm about to get off of work, and it's about 7:35. I got a little break, so I'm about to get it in, and I'm gonna take you on this journey on my workout. I'm gonna do everything. First, I gotta go to the car, get changed, and let's go, let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm finishing up work. Signing out, right? Checking my schedule for the next day, and we move. All right, guys. So it's raining right now, but it's all good. I'm about to walk back into work. And this is where I work. Let me show y'all. LA Fitness. About to walk into the building. This crackhead speeding. He don't know how to drive, little man. Yo, y'all not even old enough to be driving. You 17? All right. All right, guys, so we're starting off with the bench press Smith machine. This is a plate and a quarter on each side. This is just my feeder set, so my warm-up set. So I'm just playing with the weight just to get the feel of it. And I really wasn't feeling it today, so I'm like, all right, instead of just hitting the regular bench, I just went on the assist machine. And I like the assist, to be honest, because it keeps you in a fixed position, so you don't have to use all the other stabilizer muscles and other muscles. You can focus on squeezing your chest. So I did about 2 to 3 sets of this. Try to go for at least 8 to 10 reps. But I'm like I said, I'm just doing this as a warm-up. And then after the warm-up, I work my way up to heavier set. A very, very, very heavy set to something I could probably do about 2 to 3 reps. Right, but this is my feeder set still, so I'm just adjusting my body to the right position, and boom. Now we're just cranking them out, right? We're gonna do about 8 to 10 reps on here. This is pretty light for me. This is pretty light. I rarely bench like that, but you know, I'm like, all right, something you have to do. So this is this should be like 275. It's 2 plates and a quarter. As you can see, the quarter's in the front. And I think I do this for about 2 to 3 reps. I don't know. Let's see. Let's I'm watching it right with you. So let's go. Let's see. It's funny because I used to do this for like 10 reps, but yo, if you don't use it, you lose it. So I mean, it's easy to get back if I do it often. All right, 2. Okay, we did 3. Let's go. So we did 3 reps on 275. I used to play with this weight. 3 reps, but that's good though. I'm happy with that. You know, it's been a while, but give me I wouldn't even say a month. Give me 2, 3 weeks. If I do it every day, I'll be able to do that for 10 reps. All right, so boom, we start with the incline. The reason why I have the bar so close, towards my neck, because I want to work that cleavage part of your chest. You know, when you're in that tank top, the first thing you see is that upper chest, and that's a lot of people's lagging area. So yeah, we starting off with just a quarter because that was what was there, you know, after I stripped the weight. And then I'm just gonna throw that plate on the side of it, and yeah, we're gonna start the set. I'm just letting the camera roll, guys. This is no editing, just raw. It was one of those rainy ass days that you don't want to be in the gym, but then I just felt like, yo, I had to come in and do something, just to get that reps in, you know, just to get those muscles flowing. I'm gonna have to edit this shit now because this camera's just going. All right, so boom, the plate and the quarter is on there. We're just gonna rep this out. this is a comfortable weight for me, to be honest. Right, I could do this 8 to 10. It's very comfortable. But as you can see, as I come down, right, I make sure to hit my chest, and when I come up, I'm squeezing on each rep. All right, so that was it for that. But I actually did that like 3 sets, and I went up to 275 as well. But that was, the struggle was real on that, I ain't gonna lie. So now we're on this chest press machine, and this, for me, it just makes your chest poke out way more. I like this better than doing anything because it just keeps you in that fixed position. Oh, that boy hitting you at different angles. Now this was heavy, I ain't gonna lie. So this is 2 plates and a quarter. The quarter's in the middle, but I think I did like 2 to 3 reps. I definitely like hitting the heavy weights still, but I stripped. So I'm gonna strip this bitch right now, right? The next, oh, we're just gonna keep it rolling. All right, and I'm just gonna strip the weight. Strip the weight, strip the weight. All right, where the hell did I go? All right, he's back. Boy looking damn swole. Natural, guys. No need to take any extra shit. You know what I'm talking about. It's not needed, guys. You could build your muscles naturally with time, and you know you'll progress, period. All right, guys, so we going back up. The reason why I got my hands on the handle so high is because I'm still hitting that upper chest, guys. That upper shelf. You know what I mean? You can fit a cup on that motherfucker. Alright. So now, this is a comfortable weight. I'm just going to rep it. Get that nice burn. And we switch over to another chest press machine. And I like this because it's real. It is your fixed. You ain't using nothing else but your chest. And a little bit of triceps when you push out. I don't know what the hell that was, but we gonna adjust the seat because you know everything gotta be right. And all this is pushing and squeezing, guys. You ain't gotta worry about nothing else. Especially for the beginners, I would say I would start with this. You don't even need a bench, and that's a fact. I built my chest off of a machine like this. And boom. I mean, I did a lot of bench before, but this was the machine that really, you see them chesticles, boy? Damn, that boy looking swole. Really, it's a good pump right now. All right, now we're gonna go wider. Get that, oh, nah, but yeah, it's a little wider. Boom. Still hitting that upper chest. Right, 8 to 10 reps. On a not so heavy set. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more bangers. Let's go.